When we think of happiness, we typically think of things that make us feel good: a call from an old friend, a decadent dessert, quality time with a loved one, even a relaxing day on the beach. While these pleasures can give us temporary satisfaction, attaching your happiness to external factors is a recipe for misery. True happiness has nothing to do with what does or doesn't happen to us. Real, lasting happiness starts on the inside. Bottom line, if you can't tap into happiness on the inside, you will never be satisfied with material possessions or with anything you do in life. So let's make happiness your top priority, and let the rest of your life flow from there. In all of my years meeting and interacting with very wealthy, successful people, I've noticed the differences between people who are happy because of what they have and what they can do, and the ones who could lose it all tomorrow and still be truly happy. Here's the secret. 1. Happy people create their own happiness. Every second you waste waiting for happiness is a second you could have been using to create it. The happiest people aren't the luckiest, wealthiest, or best looking. The happiest people are those who make a daily effort to be happy. If you want to create your own happiness, you have to start by making it a priority. When you focus on happiness, you believe that with a little effort, you can improve even the things in your life that are less than ideal. Which in turn makes you happy because you're better suited to cope with and overcome the challenges that will come your way. 2. Happy people value self-care. There's a common saying that downtime equals lost time. This is a damaging perception that just isn't true. Happy people realize the benefits of recharging, know how they refuel best, and find value in getting the rest and relaxation they need to be their best. There are so many ways to focus on self-care, but doing it well requires that you learn what works best for you. Lots of ultra-successful people I know frequent spas to detox in a hot sauna or enjoy a massage. Some have strict exercise regimens. For others, travel, a trip to the theater, hiking, and journaling are also great ways to slow down, recharge, and focus on the things in life that matter most. Throughout all of life's highs and lows, there's something so powerful in simply being grateful. No matter where we are in life, there is always something to be grateful for. Happy people focus on the positive in every situation. That means that instead of smoke coming out of your ears when the coffee shop barista messes up your triple shot, non-fat, no foam, dairy-free vanilla latte, you are grateful that you were even able to afford a coffee at all that morning. Starting a daily gratitude journal and listing 5 things every day that you are grateful for will get you in the habit of having a thankful thinking process. Happy people avoid pessimists and negative people like the plague. And to be truly happy, so should you. By building relationships with happy people, you nurture the happiness in your own life.